Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage. We're in Bedminster today. Nanny's visiting her friend, so I had to wander around the charity shops. In particular, I wanted to go down to Poundland. There's one in Bedminster, but obviously I did the charity shops as well. I want to go to Poundland to get another one of these stake lights, because I've used up my stock. I use them for illuminating other things. I take the circuit board out and use that for switching things on and off when it gets dark. So that one actually came from Poundland. It's missing the spike on the bottom, but I wasn't worried about that because I only want the top end anyway. So that was £1 in Poundland. But before I got to Poundland, I went in, which would it have been? One of the other charity shops, or one of the charity shops, and they were selling off these garden stake lights for 79p. I think we can see a similarity there, can't we? I don't think they're identical, but they're pretty much the same. Yeah, that's a little bit wider. So they're not exactly the same item. But they couldn't be much similar. Does that one fit in there? No, that one doesn't quite fit in there. So they are slightly different. So yeah, so that's what I'd actually gone down to Bedminster to buy, one of them. When I saw these at only 79p, I couldn't resist buying 4 of them. For exactly the same purpose, just to use the solar panel and the circuit inside. And just a thought, these have got bigger glass panels. Interesting. So yeah, 4 of them, 79p each. So that must have been St Peter's Hospice, because I bought this in the same charity shop, and that's a St Peter's Hospice label. Rotating merry-go-round, wooden construction kit. I think we can see electric motor, gear, battery container. I wonder if it's actually in there. Yeah, looks like it's all in there. Still sealed. Yeah, that feels like the electric motor in there. And a battery box there with an on-off switch on it. And a set of instructions. Yeah. Right, little breaking continuity there. I'm sitting in the car and the traffic news just came on the radio, so we'll have to do that last bit again. Okay, so yeah, that one, St Peter's Hospice, £1.49. So nice little kit that. This one, paid £3 for it. Make yourself new Tinker Crate. I think, I don't know, but I think that's one of these subscription things that you pay into, and they send you a box of things to do each week or each month. see what it says. Oh, it's a catapult. So I've got a rubber band on it, so I think that's the sort of thing that I can put on my put a rubber band on it channel. And there's our catapult. Rubber band. Yeah. If you have trouble, visit tinkercrate.com/catapult. Well, there's nothing there about monthly subscription, but it wouldn't surprise me if that's what it is. Scorecard. That's the actual catapult. Yeah, nice little kit for somebody to keep the kids occupied on a rainy day. I'll try and put it together carefully so it can come apart again. That's it, anyway. So, that's it, today's charity shop Gold or Garbage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.